So I got hold of this Discman, obviously without the CD, some time ago, and I, did find it for a pretty good deal because it was only €2, so it's a Sony D90. And this unit was in a sad situation. It didn't work and it was very, very dirty. It wouldn't read CDs, and the reason for this was the lens head wouldn't move at all. This cog was actually shattered, and I had to replace it with a circlip. So there are sets which are being sold, so they come in two, and obviously the circlips. And once this is done, the issue was this motor was stuck because it was too close to the next cog. So the trick is to unscrew this one, let the motor move around, and then rescrew it once it's settled with the new cog. It's not exactly the same dimension. The lens wouldn't move on its rail, so now it's resolved. So there is another issue on this one, which is the jack out and the volume. So it's, a very usual problem, these ones. If you plug it completely, you only get the left channel, and if you unplug it slightly, you get two channels. And when you move the volume slider, there are cracks in the sound. So, some contact cleaner, some brushes, and that's it. So it took me a while to get to the bottom of the issues on this unit. I had to dismantle it like 3-4 times before realizing that the cogs are not moving freely. But anyway, I hope this will help people trying to repair these ones, because they're getting pretty expensive, and although they are like nice objects and good players, there are no reason why the price should skyrocket. Thank you for watching.